What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update, May 10th, 2022. Guys, there's chaos in the market. Crypto has been dumping. Bitcoin dumped heavily. It got below 30,000, and altcoin market actually went down really hard. You can see that Luna is down 42% on the day. Lido is down 29% on the day. The market is slowly coming back to green. We'll be talking about everything that happened yesterday. A lot of traders have been liquidated to the tune of $1 billion. We'll also look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually entered this our buy zone, but looks like it's bouncing hard of it. We're also looking at Ethereum. Ethereum didn't take out its yearly low. That's a very, very good sign. You can see that the market is gradually recovering. Many of these coins are actually now in profit from the dump of the bottom we had yesterday. I'll give you all that information. We have so many Bitcoin news. El Salvador bought the dip. Bitcoin traders are actually getting liquidated. Whales are actually buying more Bitcoin. There's chaos in the market. We'll be using this video to decipher everything that happened in the last 24 hours. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. If you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video, let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, only the strong can survive in the crypto market, and yesterday was one of those days. The market dumped really hard. This started with a very good day. We had mixed results in the market. Some coins were pumping, some coins were dumping, and then all hell let loose. Yesterday, guys, I released a video telling you guys Bitcoin needs to hold this support. It looks like we might go back to test 30k region. Guess what, guys? We actually went back to test that 30k region. We literally even pierced through 30k. We touched 29,900. But that's a very good. There's still good news in all this. We didn't break our multi-cycle low that we set after Bitcoin got to 64k the first time. When Bitcoin got to 64k the first time, we came back to 28k. Hopefully, we're not going to come back to touch 28k. We have found the bottom. We hope that this is the bottom, but you know, guys, with crypto, you can never say never. We can still dump. And guys, a lot of traders got liquidated. A lot of people are long in the market. They were expecting higher prices. They just felt as if the next day we were going to pump. I was expecting higher prices, but I didn't expect it to go up in a straight line. A lot of traders lost a lot of money. You might be wondering, how much did they lose? Guys, the total of $1 billion was lost by traders yesterday, and you can see the liquidation figures here. Even in the last 1 hour, $37 million have been lost. In the last 4 hours, $80 million, and in the last 12 hours, over $465 million have been lost by traders that got liquidated. You can see on the exchange data here telling us that OKX had the most liquidation. Traders got liquidated over 323 million there. Most people were liquidated for longs, even though the market was crashing. Some people were liquidated for their shorts, which is funny. Binance coming at second, FTX third, and Bitfinex at number 3. Guys, I told you guys yesterday, it looks as if the Bitfinex whales are accumulating longs, and anytime the market is going down, those guys accumulate more long position. But we'll see what will happen. But right now, we can see that the market is actually bouncing, which is very, very healthy. You can see that here we have a green in the market. Let me arrange this by how many percent they have bounced. Zilliqa is up 22%, ApeCoin up 18%. Dent is up 16% from the bottom. But guys, you need to see how they were dumping life yesterday. A lot of people sold their coins and lost, thinking everything is going down and the party is over. And that's crypto, guys. It will dump so hard that it will get all the weak hands flushed out from the system, and only the strong can survive in crypto. Bitcoin dropped more than 10% despite dip below 31k just days after topping 40k. Guys, crypto, I always say this, there are huge swings to the upside and huge swings to the downside. You just have to be on those strong people that will be able to survive. Guys, the market sentiment is really, really trash. I know I come here every day saying we're in fear, we're in extreme fear, the market sentiment is trash, but trust me, guys, it is literally trash. We're going to talk about what happened to Luna and what happened to their stable coins later in the video. But right now, we're in extreme fear. And I don't see us living this extreme fear anytime soon. It looks like the month of May will literally be very, very rough for us in the crypto market. Because after this kind of dumps, guys, just don't expect the market to pump back up in a straight line. There will be a period of PTSD. If you don't know what that is, people will be scared to deploy on capital into the market. They'll still be scared. Is the dump over? Is the dump not over? Guys, you can see that the volume that came in here when the dump was happening was a lot. We have been pumping, we have been dumping, we have just been going sideways. There have not been plenty volumes, but yesterday, a lot of people capitulated. And guys, I always say something. As people were selling yesterday, ask yourself this question: who was buying those coins? I had some orders on some coins, some orders that I didn't expect to get filled. I just put those orders down for very, very ridiculous prices. Guys, I got into my app yesterday and I got filled and I was like, wow, who is selling their coins for these ridiculous prices, guys. Altcoins were very cheap yesterday. Yesterday was the best time to get many of these altcoins. I'm not advising you to get this altcoin, guys. Yesterday was so bad. A stable coin lost 70% in one day. Think about that. Stable coins are supposed to be stable. They're supposed to be always pegged to the dollar. Yesterday, UST lost 7%. At some point in time in the day, it lost over 40%. That was very, very crazy. Many people are blaming the market dump on Terra Luna, but guys, is it their fault? We'll be talking about that later. Guys, the top 10 cryptocurrency, we have a new entrance in the top 10, and it's all because of yesterday's dump. Seeing at number 1, we still have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is back at $32,000. Ethereum didn't actually dump yesterday, which was weird. Ethereum dumped, but not as hard as the market and not as hard as Bitcoin. That was a very good sign to see. Ethereum is still at 2,400. USD Theta held its own. People are thinking that Theta will be the first stable coin to implode, but apparently we had more unstable stable coins. BNB is at number 4. BNB went below $300 yesterday. USD coin still at $1. That's what you own from a stable coin. At number 6 is XRP. XRP got to 0.49 yesterday. Solana is at number 7. At number 8 we have Cardano ADA. At number 9, guys, we have a new project in the top 10, Binance USD. That's Binance stablecoin. At number 9, at number 10 is Terra USD, and yesterday Terra USD was taking all the heat. Luna is no longer in our top 10, and I'll be giving you why Luna is no longer our top 10. We're looking at the Luna price chart. Luna lost over 70% yesterday. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at the Luna price chart right now. Luna, guys, can see right here, anytime you see a coin crashes and it enters the volume, that's not a good sign. Luna yesterday was actually going for around $80, $85. Some days back, just April 26, Luna was going for $97. And from April 26, guys, guess what happened to Luna? Luna crashed over 76% in the period of less than 2 weeks. Crypto is very, very dramatic. Luna actually set a new all-time high just barely 2 months ago, above $100, and right now, yesterday you could get one Luna for $23. That's how dramatic it is. And guys, you can see the volume. There have not been a lot of volume on Luna. You can see the volume has just been little, but when the dump started happening yesterday, people started selling their Luna, people started selling their UST, because Luna stablecoin got depegged. A lot of people were scared, man, and they started selling their Luna. Will Luna go back to recover? Only time will tell. But right now, a lot of people sold their Luna. The question I'm asking again, who were they selling their Luna to at those cheap prices? Who was that person that was getting Luna for $20 in this kind of market? Obviously, somebody was buying it. That's why the price was pumped up. If not, it could have continued dumping to zero. Obviously, somebody placed a bid around $20. Only time we tell who that person is right now. And this is the Ethereum price chart. Ethereum is actually wonderful. Ethereum held its own. It didn't even set a new yearly low. Yearly low in Ethereum is $2,100. Ethereum just stayed around 2,200. Didn't even get below 2,200 yesterday. Guys, that's actually nice to see. It means the market didn't just randomly just crash into oblivion. There's still some form of sense in the market. We'll still be waiting for Ethereum to come for its retracement. Even Bitcoin, guys, are waiting for Bitcoin to come for its retracement. If Ethereum had done what Bitcoin did yesterday, guys, would have been seeing Ethereum at 1,700, and that would have been very, very nasty. But thank God, Ethereum is still above $2,000. At least there's something to celebrate. And the crypto market is actually recovering very, very hard. You can see as I'm recording this video, the market is pumping. Most of these coins are already in double-digit gains. That's a very, very good sign. Most times it means the bottom is in. Is the bottom in? Guys, only time will tell. Now, Terra UST and Luna have some funny business with Bitcoin. They say they were buying $3.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to become a reserve currency for their stable coins. But yesterday it was actually put to test and they actually failed very, very well. Their stable coin was depegged. As I showed you guys, it was depegged very, very mad. Like, you were shocked that what is really happening with USD Theta. You see that their stable coin got as low as 0.60 to $1. A lot of people are dumping their UST. Some people knew about it earlier on the 7th of May. They were dumping it. It had not even fully depegged then. It had not fully depegged then. They were dumping it still at 99 cents. But guys, yesterday it got as low as 60 cents to $1. Right now it has recovered to 92 cents. That's what you want to see. But guys, it looks as if the trust in UST is gone. How many people want to hold UST again? Because I mean, if crypto dumped and Bitcoin dumped not this hard, and the coin can get depegged this hard, imagine when Bitcoin is dumping over 50% in 24 hours. What will happen? So right now, only time will tell what will happen to UST, but right now they are getting so much hit on Twitter. And because their founder is actually kind of braggadocious on Twitter, he was betting on people saying Luna can never go below his previous all-time high, yada yada yada, calling people poor and all. And yesterday he got very humble because his stablecoin lost over 40% of his value, and his token, that's Luna, that he was bragging about, actually lost just yesterday. Luna lost over 70% of his value. That's a very, very, very worrying sign for Luna, but they'll find a way to fix their stuff. Now, Luna had to sell their BTC yesterday. We're not sure whether they really sold it, but they shifted those BTCs to exchanges. I'm like, why did you put those BTCs in reserve? In 2 weeks later, you'll now be selling them. Guys, we still have some hope in the market. Bitcoin dominance didn't actually go up. When these crashes happen normally, you're supposed to see Bitcoin dominance increase because Bitcoin doesn't dump as hard as the rest of the market. So it's a good sign that the Bitcoin dominance is still basically where it was around 1st of April 2022. It means Bitcoin didn't gain any market share. Bitcoin just dumped like the rest of the market, because if the whole market was capitulating and Bitcoin didn't capitulate as hard as the market, Bitcoin dominance will increase. So we might still see alt season, but right now, guys, we're going to allay the talks of alt season. Let's just find stability in the market first. El Salvador actually bought the dip yesterday. It has been long that El Salvador has been in the news concerning Bitcoin. Yesterday, El Salvador bought the dip. They got 700 coins. The president is always on Twitter announcing when they buy Bitcoin. They got over $15 million worth of Bitcoin yesterday. Only time we tell whether that was a good buy or not. Guys, the top gainers and losers in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. At the point of recording of this video, guys, we have some coins going to the gainers chart, but at some point in time yesterday, only Wave was the only coin that was not in the loss. I was wondering, is it that Wave just capitulated before the rest of the market? But leading the losers chart, guys, the Luna lost 40%. Lido just currently listed on Binance, was listed on Binance 3 days ago. It lost over 30%. GMT lost 21%, AMP lost 16%, and ApeCoin for the 4th day in a row is in the losers chart. ApeCoin is down 14%. On the day, leading the losers chart is Maker is up 7%, FTT is up 4.7%, AR and Aaron is up around 3%, and the market's recovering. That's a very good sign for us to see. Guys, the crypto unicorn index is just dumping to, just like the rest of the market. We have less and less projects every day that have market capitalization of over $1 billion. Right now, the point of recording this video, guys, we have only 81 projects. We hope we don't see less projects losing their unicorn status. We don't see less projects with the market capitalization of less than $1 billion, because, guys, it actually affects the total crypto market cap. For the total crypto market cap, I was hoping and praying we don't fall below $1.5 trillion. But yesterday, we actually broke through $1.5 million. We came as low as $1.33 trillion. Guys, do you think we'll still see all season? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the dump. Did you capitulate? Did you end up selling your coins, or did you buy more on the cheap yesterday? I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. And guys, if you want to follow me on all social media platforms, on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Telegram, it's Mr. Legend Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.